Hello, my lovelies. Let me introduce you to Rhythm of Life. I coil-built Rhythm of Life from the bottom up, which is adding one coil or sausage of clay on top of the other and blending them in. Once she was shaped, I was able to carve through the clay to create this surface decoration called Sgraffito. And then I rubbed black glaze into those marks to really highlight them. Now, to turn it into a drum, I did have to learn to weld, and I had to learn how to skin this drum. Thankfully, I did not have to learn how to skin an animal. Oh, couldn't do it. Anyhow, she won Best in Show at the Tay River Gallery in 2002 for her theme, and for those who can play well. She sounds beautiful. I'm sorry for you having to listen to me play it, but I want to tell you what she's about. It was all about community. And when I think about the drum circles that I attended back in 2000, it was so amazing to see how a community of rhythm came together and was just so beautiful. And yet when somebody's left out or not part of that community, or feel they're not part of a community, then they remain silent and the music stays within. So I created Rhythm of Life to show that when we have that connection, beautiful music can be played. So this won't be beautiful, but this is what she sounds like.